Welcome, Nidhi. Welcome. Acha, she's joining. Hello, Nidhi.
Hello, Subhash. How are you?
Doing good, Nidhi. Nidhi is my best friend. So let me explain the rule of the game, everybody. This, the first of all aspect of it is this is a meeting. If we get disconnected, we will rejoin. Right, Nidhi?
Yeah, definitely.
I'm the moderator of the meeting. And the first thing is that I would like to welcome you, Nidhi.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Nidhi. Nidhi has worked as a trainer, as a corporate trainer. She is earlier used to work with Accenture. She has trained people from Tata Consultancy Services, Hero Motor Corp. She has also trained people in a lot of management institutes, Delhi University, Indraprasth University, and her training has been also conducted for entry level jobs, जैसे Zomato हो गया, Indian Oil Corporation का petrol boy schemes हो गया. So her training range extends right from the top, from the CEO level to the bottom level. Hobby of Nidhi is, what do I say? She's an image consultant, she's a brand consultant. And what is interesting is that she has also trained my MBA boys and your EC boys. EC boys, I think very few were there when I invited them. I think Abhishek Jha was one of them. I hope you remember. I hope you remember Nidhi, the guy with the
Yes,
quote. He had a lot
definitely.
of other questions and other.
Yes,
And let me introduce the panel here. We have Professor Salbha Chaudhary. She is a PhD. Her
Good evening,
childhood,
ma'am.
Good
uh,
evening.
this was spent, that is in IIT. Her childhood was spent in Roorkee, IIT.
Yes.
We have got two students, very interesting students, bright students. One is Varsha Raghav. Varsha Raghav used to
Good
take a lot
evening,
of
ma'am.
Good evening.
Varsha Raghav used to take a lot of interest in stage program and others because those programs are conducted by me. And we have got Saksham Gupta, more of
Good
an
evening, ma'am.
intellectual, I would say a young academician. That is what I look into him, serious, deep insight. There is also HOD of this. There is also HOD of this department, but unfortunately he could not join. Tomorrow exams are being held, but he's also watching the program. So I take this panel I take everybody as a moderator to welcome him, to take everybody what do I say, into confidence and welcome you. Having said that, Nidhi, I request Balshiv Shah to please welcome Nidhi before we go into the hardcore of the training program. Yes, Dr. Salbha Chaudhary, please
Yes.
welcome.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, doctor.
Call her Nidhi, everybody can
Please
call her
me
Nidhi.
Nidhi. Yes, please.
Saksham Nidhi, Varsha Nidhi, गुस्सा हो जाएगी मैम बोलोगे तो. और सुभाष जी मुझे बोल रही थी मेरा तो इज्जत ही डाउन हो गया. Right, Nidhi? Okay.
No, you can call me Nidhi, all of you. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, most welcome. Sorry, Nidhi, most welcome in this session.
Thank you.
I'm the editor-in-chief in my magazine, Electro Sparks. It is a technical magazine, and it is also a quarterly magazine. And in this magazine, we are just published the corporate persons or academician persons by taking their interviews so that our student can motivated for their future. So right now I am most welcome, and welcome to you for giving your speech or your motivational talk about their motivation for my students. And I am introducing myself. I'm a associate professor in RD Engineering College, and my college is associated with AKT University.
Okay, that's great.
Tell something about the magazine. What is the circulation of the magazine? Where it goes to other colleges? Whatever you feel about the magazine? Where Nidhi's interview will be.
It is the second edition of our magazine. In this pandemic time period, I was thinking that we should print something, or we can launch something about the students for motivating them, that what is the present scenario of the industries, present scenario of the country. And by the articles, we will motivate them that they can prepare for their bright future by their magazine's articles. So I'm inviting you with the help of Subhash Verma sir that you will motivate them, my students, because you are a great corporate trainer, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And it's a
Nidhi,
pleasure being here.
as we go further, two requests I have to make. First of all, we are not asking for your mobile number. We will take your landline number, right? Your
Sure.
officer's line, which your secretary handles.
Right.
Maybe some queries from our students, maybe some queries from academicians, or maybe from some queries from somewhere that can be sent to you first. We would
Right.
also request you attend of the program to share your personal mail ID wherever the queries is there, because this magazine Electrospark is not just spent, is just not the circulation is just not in a certain area, but all over Uttar Pradesh. Under the aegis of Uttar Pradesh Technical University, there are 8 to 10,000 institutions. Having
Yes,
said
sir.
that, that is one aspect. Salbaji, please take the program further.
Okay, now not taking your too much time, Nidhi, I'm giving the mic to my students, Saksham Gupta and Varsha, for proceed further.
Definitely.
Okay, Saksham, you can, and Varsha, you can
Yes.
also start.
So, good morning, ma'am. My name is Saksham Gupta. I am pursuing my engineering in electronics and communication,
Okay.
and currently I am in third year.
Mm-hmm.
So, it would be better to start with your introduction first, if you can
Sure.
introduce yourself. Yes.
Sure, Saksham. Thank you so much, firstly, Subhashji and Salbaji, for such a generous introduction. I mean, you have already said, Subhashji has already introduced me so well, so don't have much to say. But yes, I'm Nidhi Mittal, and I run a small event company also. And I'm a trainer, as Subhashi has introduced. I've been training, like I'm an ex-Accenture employee. I've been training corporates. I've been training students. I've been training, like as it is, I've been taking trainings I've done some trainings in Ellen University, Delhi University, lots of higher management schools. So basically, all kinds of trainings, be it behavioral trainings, be it motivational trainings. So my main photo is trainings. Like we do all kinds of trainings. So here I am. Yes.
Continue, Saksham.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And the first question which I would like to ask is, what is the first challenge a student faces when he migrates from college to the corporate world?
Saksham, that is a very important thing, and most of the students they face a lot of like what happens is basically when you finish your school life or student life, you know you are excited about entering the professional life, and you feel once you get a job, you feel that okay, now everything is done, my life is set, everything is rosy. But no, it is just another phase you're entering, and it is full of challenges. So, firstly, you have to be mentally prepared. You know, prepare yourself that first 1 or 2 years would be full of a lot of learnings, lot of challenges. So, mentally, you have to be prepared. A lot of times, what happens when you transit from a student to a professional, you know, with a mindset that everything is going to be very smooth and rosy, and suddenly, when you come across a lot of challenges, you know, the procedure of learning, because obviously there is a lot of difference, that's a different subject altogether, in a student life and a professional life. So at times you're not mentally prepared for those challenges, and you end to give up. So basically being mentally prepared for the kinds of challenges is the most important thing when you're transiting from a student life to a professional life. And yes, that is the major, basically the change will be the major thing in the transition period.
What exact challenges, to name few?
Exact challenges, if you name about the challenges, firstly, team, like, you know what happens when you're a student, you're paying to learn, right? But
Yes.
when you become a professional, you are being paid to perform. So that is the major difference in a student life and a professional life. So keeping this in mind, there'll be a lot of challenges. There'll be a lot of time frames, because when you're a student, time frames are a little flexible. Like if you are working on a project, TK, if you have 5 days, you know, you've been given 5 days. Okay, you can actually 5 days, 6 days, 7 days is still manageable. You can have your excuses. But when you are a professional and you are given some projects, the time frames are the most important. So being able to adjust yourself to the time frames will be the most important thing. So time is a major thing that you'll find a challenge about when you are entering a student life. Secondly, when I mean from a student to a professional, when you are working as a team is very important, because okay, your individual performance plays a very important role. And being a student, when you're a student, you just work for yourself, right? It is your performance, it is your thing for which you're working. You're working for yourself, you're working as an individual. But in a professional environment, when you're working, you have to keep in mind that you're not an individual anymore. You will be working as a team, and when the team grows, it is your growth. So that is one major challenge, working as a team, which you have to face when you when you are a professional. And this is something very important you have to take care of. So these are few major challenges that you come across. There is a list, yeah, but you have to be prepared for them.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
I
ma'am.
want to ask one question, Nidhi.
Uh,
You have trained everybody. My students have got a Hindi background. वो
okay.
Accenture या बड़ा कंपनी में आगे चल करके क्या what is it a handicap, or let me put, or how do they need to overcome that, or do you think that affects the long term career goal? This is one question which students put to me. I really don't have an answer. What is your experience? Tell from that. Having said that, I'm
Subhash, your voice, your video is, I think, muted.
Acha, let me repeat the question.
Yeah.
My students are from Hindi background,
Right,
right?
right.
So what is the response initial days, let's say when they join Accenture or when they join any multinational company?
Right.
What is it you find in them? That is the first question. And how do they overcome? Because how do they overcome? Is it the confidence within 6 months or 7 months, or whether it is the knowledge, whether it is the power sharing? What is it gives? I've seen Infosys, I've seen Wipro, all local South Indians who have excelled high in life.
Yes. So
Please answer that. Yeah.
Subhash, it's a very important and a good question, because obviously communication holds a very, very important part when you enter such big companies, when you talk about and when you're entering them, because obviously you have to be when I said you have to work as a team, you'll be dealing with a lot of clients, there'll be a client interaction, there'll be a lot of understanding and learning process. So communication, when it comes to it, is very, very important as a student. But ठीक है, अगर आपका हिंदी background है, that does not mean you cannot excel in life. Language या फिर communication is just one small aspect which can actually be taken care of. Like even if you're from a Hindi background, अगर आप अपने आप को 5-6 महीने भी देते हो on a language, right? When you talk about English is internationally accepted language. आप हिंदी background से हो, so might be आपको problems आएंगे to communicate, to express yourself, or to put your point clearly in front of a team. So for that, आपको communication skills आपके improve करना बहुत जरूरी है. You can have a mentor for that. You can actually work on it. थोड़ा सा आप 4-5 महीना दोगे. Language is not very difficult. English language is not very difficult. आप अगर उस पे time दोगे, definitely you can have a command, and you can take it slow and steady. You don't need to feel bad about the fact that you're from a Hindi medium, because it's just a language. Your potential, it does not hold back because आपका background हिंदी medium है. आप में बहुत सारा potential है, आप excel कर सकते हो. Just because of one communication gap, it does not hold you back. But yes, you definitely have to improve that communication, for which you can give time. You can, there are lots of programs, 2-3 months programs, which you can do, and you can actually excel yourself in that. So communication is important, but you can definitely work on it. Subhash?
Varsha?
Yes. My question is, first of all, I am introducing myself. My name is Varsha Raga. I am from RD Engineering College, pursuing BTech, third year, ECE department. So, ma'am, my question is, what non-technical skills we can improve so that we can crack the interview?
Right. Basically, interviews, when you, talk about the interviews, right? So, interviews, mein, there are some basic questions. Like if you talk about an introduction, just say, obviously, the first question anyone will ask you is about your introduction. So, it's basically how you want to, present yourself. So, wait a minute, I think the internet connection is going unstable. Can you hear me, Varsha?
You are audible, ma'am.
Okay,
Audible,
Audible,
Nidhi,
ma'am.
completely audible.
Perfect. So Varsha, when you come across an interview, your introduction, it has to be like short and crispy. You just have to, might be you can specify about your educational experience, about you as a person, little of your hobbies, and just in general, basic focus should be on your education and your positive points, like that yeah, I have a zeal for learning, or all these kind of points that just add to an introduction, firstly. Secondly, when questions asked like why, like you go to a particular company for an interview, might ask Subhash, I can't hear you. Your voice is cracking, Subhash.
Yeah, net problem was there. That was the reason I this also. Yeah, I heard you. Uh,
Yeah, I was
Nidhi, one request I have for you.
sure.
This electronic communication, maybe you can train about 10 to 12, maybe we'll fix some on some later day.
Right.
Students, about 8 to 10 students.
Right.
You can have a mock interview with them, right, Sarbaji? That is one aspect of it.
Definitely.
That would be of great help. Let the college also open. We will invite you for this also. But from
Definitely.
Zoom, you have got a busy schedule and our funds are not there in the college. You will have to do that as a complimentary job.
No
Let me be
worries.
very honest, but our students will be very, very this also. Me will also sit, I will also sit, and Salma will also sit through the whole program. That
Definitely.
is how they face interview. What should it be all about? What is the dressing style?
Right.
That would be of a great help, Sarah. That would be a great help, Nidhi. If that is a
Yeah,
request.
Varsha is asking, yes.
Yeah, maybe Varsha, yes.
Varsha is asking, sir.
Yeah, Varsha, please go ahead. I'm putting myself mute. Varsha,
No problem, sir, no problem. Varsha already told their questions and ma'am is giving the answer. And I think you are not there. Your connection was loose. That's why.
yes. I'm getting a connection problem. It's raining outside and home.
Okay. Ma'am, please, Nidhi, please answer
Yes.
their questions, ma'am.
Yes. So Varsha, I was telling you about the interviews, right? So first point which I told you was about your introduction. Secondly,
Yes.
when you are going to a particular company for an interview, right? They might definitely ask you, ki, why us? Why do you want to work with us, or why you have chosen our company? So it is very important that when you go for an interview, like you're thoroughly prepared, like the background of the company you are going for an interview. You should be thorough with what kind of, things they're serving, about their history, about everything about the company. And you should be very clear with your goals. Ki, okay, ma'am, your company excels in all these things, and that's the reason I've chosen your company. So, basically what happens is interviewers not asking because they want to know about the company. They already know, but they also want to check how serious you are when it comes to your job, or how serious you are about working in their firm. So that is very important, that you are thoroughly updated with the company's background for which you're going to an interview for. So this is a complete, altogether a complete topic wherein, whenever we talk next, how to prepare yourself for the interview. I would love to tell you guys about it, but these are just the small tips which I thought would be helpful for you. Yes, Varsha. Anything else, Varsha, you want to ask about?
Ma'am, I want to request you actually.
Definitely.
Ma'am, please, after this pandemic, please come to our college and for 1 or 2 days. And please tell us what we can do to improve our personality, gain some knowledge to crack the interview. Please, this is the request from my side and all my mates.
It
From
would be a pleasure, Varsha. I would love to be with you guys and actually share all my experiences with you guys. and I would definitely plan and visit Akin
Saksham,
College once.
Saksham, you
Definitely.
want to?
Varsha, Nidhi
Yes,
has got a very busy schedule. कैसा होता है कि morning में she is in Mumbai, again in the evening she will come back. 3 to 4 days or she keeps on traveling, international travel and other places. But बच्चे बोलते हैं तो आ जाएंगी, मैं बोलूंगा तो नहीं आएंगी. मैं बोलूंगा तो she will ask you
No,
transfer the
Subhash, I
amount to
will
this or that.
definitely. आप बोलोगे तो I'll definitely come, but yes, the students
I will
request.
pick you up from your house and then we will do a session and then I will drop you. That's my
It
job.
would be.
Salma
Oh,
will take
that
a
would
very
be
good care of you.
shopper service. Thank you
Good
so
care.
much. I would love to.
100%, sir, 100%. Saksham, you want to ask anything about Nidhi? Saksham? Saksham?
This connectivity
Am I
problem.
audible, Saksham?
Yeah, yes, I'm very sorry.
Anything
Yeah,
else you want to ask
the-
Nidhi?
Apart from the technical skills and all, what are the non-technical skills that one should develop and to grow in life? Means for not for company or anything, for the personal life to exceed and succeed in life.
Right.
So
Uh, Saksham, that is very important. Positive attitude. Firstly, you know what happens? There are lots of challenges you'll be facing, and a lot of change when you know, as a student, a professional, but otherwise also in life. There are a lot of changes that when you grow from stage to stage, you come across. So, firstly, a positive attitude towards everything. कि ठीक है कुछ भी होता है hardships आए हैं but they will go and I will sail through them. So positive attitude जब आपका कोई भी positive attitude होता है so any environment you are in कितना भी hardships आए but when you have this mental preparation कि okay this is just a phase and it will go and अभी ठीक है I'm finding it difficult but over a period of time धीरे धीरे I will definitely you know they will all go I'll sail through it. So this attitude, if you have, you can actually do wonders in life. Secondly, enthusiasm. You know, that zeal to learn, that enthusiasm आप में अगर नहीं है, अगर आप पहले से ही you know you're not ready to learn more or to accept the challenges, you don't have that enthusiasm, आप नहीं कुछ कर पाओगे. If you give up, अगर आप जैसे if you join the office and first few months, in fact 1 or 2 years would be very difficult. You know, आपको टाइम लगता है थोड़ा सा एडजस्टमेंट. अब आई गिव यू अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल. अरेंज्ड मैरिज, ठीक है, अ गर्ल गेट्स मैरिड, वो एक नए फैमिली में आती है, लॉट्स ऑफ चैलेंजेस, नए उनको भी नहीं पता होता है हाउ टू, क्या उसको बताना है क्या नहीं, कैसे ट्रीट करना है, इवन शी डज नॉट नो. बट स्लोली स्लोली दोनों का यू नो एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग से एंड स्लोली धीरे धीरे ऑल द चैलेंजेस शी फेसेस and that's how a family you know she becomes a part of the family. So same way aap jab ek, this is a very stupid, I mean a small example but it is same way you know when you are entering a professional life. Same similarly आपके लिए सब कुछ new है, बहुत सारे challenges आएंगे but एक enthusiasm, एक open mind, एक positivity, these are something very important for you as and they will help you in all aspects of life. So yes, these are some things you should be you know good at.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank
That's really a great help.
Thank you, Subhash. It was wonderful
Thank
talking to
you.
all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a
Thank-
lot
Thank you so much.
for giving your valuable time for us, for motivating our students, ma'am, from my whole team, Electro Spark, ma'am. And after pandemic time period, when we will arrange different activities in our college, then I will invite you, ma'am. Please come in my college.
Definitely, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Definitely.
Heartfelt thank you,
So,
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye, Saksham. Thank you.
having said that, having said that to everybody, Nidhi, let me thank you once again. Though the people of the magazine has also thanked you, there would have been a lot of likes in Instagram and Facebook by now. And two things I would request you,
And
maybe your
we will-
photograph,
yes.
I'll be sharing your photographs in skirt and blouse. That will be put on the body of the magazine. Varsha, you have seen that, no?
Yes, sir.
Quite a stylish photograph आपने, quite a
Yes,
stylish
yes.
photograph आपने दी मित्तल, नहीं? हाँ कि नहीं? चलो.
Yes.
So everybody, thank
ma'am.
you for this meeting. Everybody, thank you for this meeting. It was wonderful interaction with you. Special thanks to Nidhi Mittal for motivating
you
our
so
students. God bless you all of you.
Thank-
Thank you, Nidhi.
you,
And now we
ma'am,
leave the
everyone.
meeting, right? We can
Thank
leave the
you,
meeting now. Yeah.
Yes, we can
Okay.
leave, sir.
Thank you so much.
Bye, Nidhi. Take care.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye-bye. Bye, everyone. See
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Take care.
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
too. Bye-bye.